Mic check. All right. A little bit about me. I'm a two-time international video gaming superstar. Every time I open up the arena, millions flood in.
Okay. Are you gonna be playing? Are you gonna be playing as a dog the whole game?
Oh yeah.
I've got a lower body. It's a bit loud.
Can we get Dr. Disrespect to do the symbol game with us?
No.
That will be hard as fuck. Let me see. 1, 2, wait. Who hasn't joined? Kyberlin, you haven't joined.
Yeah, I'm doing it. Give me a sec.
I already asked him why he was banned. He said he's been reacting to YouTube videos or something.
Am I muted?
Too much reactor now.
Doc, are you gonna start streaming on YouTube?
I could sit here and do what
Ask Eight Ball,
FQC
Thomas.
does
Eight
and
Ball,
watch
the best
YouTube
question.
videos for 7 hours.
How big is that?
Yeah, lads, am I muted or is it alright?
I hear you.
We
I
can
hear you.
Oh,
Proper.
bro. I tell you right, my fucking microphone's been right sod recently.
My mic may be a bit dank right now.
Roppy, you wanna play? Congrats, I just pulled you in. Roppy?
Puppy.
Alright.
Wait, what happened to my stream? Oh, here we go.
Squirtle, you wanna play?
Hello.
Honestly, I don't even remember how to play this game.
Oh yeah, fuck it. Let's just go as 9. 9 is plenty.
You'll say what you are. Just say it out loud so we're gonna hear it.
No.
Yeah, lag too late, buddy. I'm so sorry. Roppy, you're smidge too late. I'm sorry. Okay, we're gonna be. Some of us are aliens and some of us are not.
Don't
Did
you
pull it to the tutorial? Oh, you choose after the game, right?
Have detected an alien biorhythm on this ship. And just as I
think you choose now if there is tutorial or not. I don't remember.
Slowly deleting my program. Do you require guidance?
Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah. Do you guys want the tutorial or not?
Nah. It depends. I don't know.
The tutorial makes the game a lot easier for humans because aliens can't hack at the beginning.
You know what chat will say? They'll say you're stalling.
Yeah, it didn't give me time to click.
Yeah.
Do you need sound from the stream because I'm gonna hear myself?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Nah, you don't need it.
Hey,
You're a human, okay.
Ha, good one.
I am an human. Smiley face.
Don't tell.
I like how Zoil's just sat on his own.
He's hanging out with the clown.
Oh wait, that was
By my calculations, you will have 18 minutes before access to be.
Literally secondary school all over again, mate.
Hanging out with I feel you with that one. Jesus.
Push
I
that
hated
button.
bloody school.
I feel you, man.
Anyways.
Social rejected. Smiley face.
Oh man.
Anyways.
The dog would never be an alien. He's surrounded by Shanghai. They wouldn't get him.
I tell you that. Choose an available room and your desired.
Vade, how
The
are
aliens got him. What's the 5G towers got him?
Right, let's have a
Rover Joe is gonna make us draw rovers.
Hurry the fuck up.
Right.
Okay, so if people don't know how this works, basically some of us are aliens and he doesn't know. The aliens we get instructions to draw stuff, and the aliens get different instructions, and now you can tell.
Draw the best you can.
Are you drunk? What was that?
So this is.
I don't. Yeah.
Prompt.
Sorry, it's been a long day.
You're fine.
Why did it?
Wait. You find to be a bit off.
Did my explanation make sense?
No.
Wait, now what? I'm just. Wait,
no, just draw what's on the screen.
You're welcome.
No, I'm really good at drawing. Do you guys know that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I am not good at. Oh, okay. I don't. This is gonna be a problem.
What was that laugh, mate?
Fucking drawing.
Oh, no. Come on, lads, time's a ticking. Get a move on, stop stalling.
Oh, make it a masterpiece. Hold on.
Click the hurry button.
Hurry the fuck up.
No, why would you
If
rush
you don't-
me? I'm already. Oh no.
Panic.
Yeah, if you don't be drawing rovers, you're going to be getting kicked off ship.
Listen.
Faster.
Okay, everyone hurry.
I just want to say, if my
He's
drawing's
an
really
alien.
shitty, it's not because I'm an alien. It's because my drawing's really shitty.
Sure, Kappa.
That's true. It's true.
It's not gonna be worse than mine, I'm sure.
From practice.
Mate,
Let's
I've
see
been
what
cranking
they
90s on
come up
Fortnite, so my DPI is like 5,000. That's why mine's bad.
What the fuck, Zoil? Zoil literally drew an alien. Is that reverse psychology?
Dude, no, that is literally Vin Diesel in the movie Riddick, dude. That's him in Riddick.
What?
Bruv. What? No, it actually is.
Rob, I think you're
I don't think so.
Mate, no, it is, mate. It is.
He is flexing it. Well, what is he doing then?
Everyone hurry.
He's flexing. He's
What's
got- he's
what's the
making
ball
muscles.
around him?
And
It's not Riddick, man. It's the fucking... It's the fucking Avatar or some shit.
Okay, next captain, you're in charge.
What the hell is that drawing, Harry Book? What was that face?
Okay,
Vin Diesel, he's got his
and
butt.
test group. There's less than 16 minutes.
He did kind of look like Tyler One a bit, but you know.
I'm sorry, though. I need.
Why didn't Kyberlin just say Alon's you?
No.
You will be given a
What?
full
I didn't say
Oil
shit.
is an
Answer
alien's
honestly,
oil.
because it will be
Okay.
Probe your shit, mate. Why don't I probe someone?
I think my chat's trying to tell me something, Zoil.
Yeah, I can see that, mate, but I think I'm wrong, dude. I was trying Vin Diesel, mate.
I don't think so.
As time winds down, I'll do
No.
my best to send the aliens some real
don't
stinkers.
think
It's
so.
the least I can do.
Okay. The doc is composing for this one. Interesting.
Yes!
Oh, fucking
Oh shit! I think I've done it wrong. Oh no!
Sure.
Oh no!
Tomorrow we'll be playing Roblox Hide and Seek Extreme on stream.
Someone saw.
Don't watch it, don't. No, no,
The
Magnus.
scariest animal is...
Woman.
Oh no!
What?
I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean.
That suspicion button.
Mrs. Assassin!
I'm not an alien.
Okay, Rover Joe, why are frogs the scariest animals? Why are frogs the scariest animals?
Yeah, it's me, Poke.
I don't think that's that.
Oh my god.
Wait, hold on, let him explain
I
himself.
have one alien.
That's some poisonous frogs, I
Yeah,
think.
I think it's like
Wow, okay, that's a bit of a
If they
stretch.
touch you,
Anyways,
Why am I fucking
Anyways.
dumb?
Hey,
Jesus Christ.
the player seems
A
I think-
Chewy roll can come up with a better name than that.
Why are you all voting me?
Doing that.
aliens now have the ability to hack the
Oh
frogs.
shit! People can hack. They can hack us
When looking
now.
at their probe screen,
The doc is hacking me.
you can select any human and
No.
specifically them.
Wait,
Just don't even tell me anything about that.
Doc, you're a pretty good hacker though.
By secretly
Yes!
giving them identity. I hope you got all of that because there's no way I'm repeating it.
oh my god.
Okay, next time, you're in charge.
He said he had more than one yes, but so far only one yes.
I did
They
wrong.
have 6 hacks now.
The Doc, the bioscanner kind of looks like Shungite.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, make sure.
Anyways,
pick
Hurry
people.
the fuck up.
it's a 2 billion year old like rock stone
Oh wait, I am drawing.
that protects against frequencies and unwanted frequencies that may be traveling in the air.
Exactly. Hey, the Hawker, thank you for the sub.
That's my story. I bought a whole bunch of stuff. Put them
put it?
around the La Casa. Little pyramids. Stuff like that.
I wonder if I'm allowed to play.
Okay.
I wonder if I'm allowed to play games with a banned streamer. It might be risky.
Okay, people are gonna call me alien on this one.
People, who said that? Who said that?
Get ready
Underfly.
for the
Layden.
and
Oh,
then
no.
you got
It
a
was
virus.
the dog.
Layden. Okay. The aliens are setting themselves up already. They're like, oh, people are gonna call me out. But why would I move Cam? There's nothing behind it.
Use the hack. Use the
Ah,
hack.
fuck it. Not gonna waste time here.
What are you drawing, Dr. Disrespect?
Dr. D, Dr. D.
Please tell me you check
Yes.
TikTok.
No.
I think I've done it good.
Never mind.
Mine is terrible, man. Oh my god. I don't know how to draw. I'm tank.
The prompt human saw was draw a laser beam.
Rover Joe drew a rover.
That's a good rover.
Okay.
No hacks use, right?
Okay, right. Okay, no, you can see the laser beam. It's on top of it, all right? You can see that little line.
Yes!
No, that's the antenna.
It's not an antenna. It's not an aerial. That's
Wait,
the laser
that's an
beam.
antenna.
All right.
Nah,
Classically on top of the roof.
I believe Rover Joe.
No.
I believe Rover Joe. He can't be an alien.
I don't have the rights to Radio Kappa, so I wouldn't be able to put it on Apple Music. But thank you so much for the donut.
Notice my laser beam.
Look at your device.
Oh.
Like a
Now push the
fucking
button
Star
that
Wars
takes us
saber.
to the extraction room. But
At least
I
I
would
didn't
recommend
scuff
only
up the
do this once
drawing.
you're
Yeah,
confident
let's be
in your
honest.
suspicions.
But can we see
And
if
what
the
was
hack
God's
Captain,
drawing?
you're in
It was
charge.
like a CD. What the fuck was that?
Oh, I'm the captain. What's
No,
the
so-
deliberation deck?
That's one is bank, dude.
Huh?
It's good. It's good.
What does it do?
Bad.
It gives you 3 choices and usually 2 are right and 1 wrong. And the alien only sees the answers.
Ah.
Doesn't read the
Yes!
I'm gonna do writing pod for the meme star, I think.
Stop stalling.
But without the deadly circumstances.
Name is alien.
No, shut up! I'm just thinking. Okay, I want.
We're all saying all the 3 heads are aliens. That's kind of odd.
Yeah, true. Honestly, Rover Joe, you can't be an alien, mate. I think that's a pretty good drawing. I saw what you was talking about, mate.
No, I don't think so.
Exactly, mate. Exactly.
No, I don't think so.
I don't-
Teleporting to the
Yes!
pod. Let's see if there's any weird responses.
I fucking emote. Okay. Look at me. I am the captain now.
No.
What the fuck?
Brilliant answer.
Forsen doesn't have any teeth. What the fuck on that emote? Looks so weird.
Van Vedicus.
I'm chicken. Want a chicken? I'm chicken. I'm gonna, yeah.
How do you have that there? How do you have that available so quickly?
I don't know.
Let's see the human.
You don't deserve my attention!
What? The best part of college
Just use a
is
It's way too loud for me. I was hacked.
and discuss.
Wait.
Jesus Christ. A 2-year-old can come up with a better name than that.
Just
Don't laugh at
I
me.
guess.
Why is wheat in? Why is it?
Nah, that's legit.
Oh, I should have put pulling up in the rover.
Why do you think wheat? Oh my god. What did I take?
I don't think you have to click anyone if you believe all of their answers. I don't know, man. I think Rover.
Hack
themselves.
I think Rover Joe lucked into that one.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. Rover is alien.
Okay.
I
think Rover Joe is legit.
I am not an alien.
Yes.
I am I'll tell you what I am.
Sure, Kappa.
I'll tell you what I am. I'm a car enthusiast.
Car.
Coin. Coin.
Pebbles.
Doctor, you wanna
What are the other ones, though?
Stiff cocks.
This would be a lot of fun without the threat of mortality.
Rover Joe, Harry Potter. Maybe
This is
the doc?
bioscanner.
Wait, why did you pick
Unfortunately,
Rover
the
Joe
virus
for
has got
this?
place pretty secret.
Because they're all aliens right there. Everyone here is alien. Harry Book, Rock, and Rover Joe.
Three glyphs and must destroy
No, the
them
doctor.
out loud.
He's gonna be great in
When
this.
3 glyphs are tapped, the captain can lock in.
Kind of
If the
odd.
glyphs match, the test will pass.
Kind of
The
weird.
captain will then be able
Oh,
to learn
no.
one player's secret identity. But
I'm not
watch
happy
out,
about that.
aliens may
Not happy
fail by
about that at
tapping the
all.
wrong glyph on purpose.
Rover Joe, do you know what you're doing?
Captain,
Oh.
Right, so the first one.
No, I don't think
I
I'm
wasn't
looking at anything.
falling over. Okay. First one looks like a man falling over. His cock's out, going up to the wing. Does that make
Nice.
sense?
You
It's like the
pull up
Half-Life
or
Alex symbol. Shut up. It's the Half-Life Alex symbol with the dot top right. and
Wait,
the line,
Squirtle, you gifted 5
to the left.
subs.
Okay, next one.
Even though I added you and removed you.
Right,
I'm
yeah,
sorry
okay,
about
okay.
that, but
It
thank you
looks
so
like
much
an
for the 5
insect,
gifted subs.
like an
Congrats to the 5
insect's
nammers.
face
Thank you,
with
man.
pincers. 2 dot to the top.
The
Joe,
Minecraft.
you with me? Joe, you with me?
No.
Who's Joe?
Oh no
Back
no.
up, back up. Rover Joe, you with me?
Yeah, I think I am.
Okay, so the second one's an insect. You got it?
I think
Doc,
I
you got
have. A lot of them look like bloody insects, let's be honest.
Okay, it's got like pincers. Doc, you with me?
Hurry up.
Okay, last one. Okay, it's like there's 2 domes. There's a dot in the middle of the first dome. Like the domes are on top of each other. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
and then there's a dot on top, and there's a dot in the middle. Does that make sense? And there's
It's
like
all been grayed
lines
out.
coming up.
Oh wait, what?
Doc, are you following this?
People ask me if I.
I think he's on the phone.
Everyone's gonna think I'm a fucking
You don't deserve my attention.
Okay.
Trying to beat the game, Doc.
Yes!
Okay, if you just lock in, just fucking lock in.
I don't know what's happening. I'm just clicked random
Oh, sappy.
seconds.
Doc had a stroke.
The Doc told me.
No, I don't.
Here we go.
Oh, bollocks.
The test.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, you clowns!
How did we get that?
Doc!
Mate, you said it looks like an insect. How the fuck would I meant to know what insect is?
You got the. It looks like he's got pincers. God fucking.
Yeah, but
And he's
that
got the
other
guy
one looks
falling
like
over
he's
his
got
cock out.
For all I care, you're all fucking aliens.
to me. I have no life and live in my mommy's basement with no friends and long blonde bangs, and my only joy is stream sniping.
Doc, you're not mute.
That's a Dr. Lil. Oh no, you went too far with that one, Doc.
No, I don't think so.
I made Who Killed Captain Alex, the video game for PS2.
Ooh.
For PS2.
We gotta focus up here. Do we have any, like, I feel like we have no idea what we're doing.
Hurry the fuck up.
Who are we even suspecting?
I think Doc is the alien.
We only tested NymN.
Rover.
No.
Rover.
And me once.
Wait, why?
NymN and Zoil.
Rover
I
hasn't.
It's not me. I don't know where you got that idea, mate.
No, they're listening to people. You can test me again. I'm not scared. You're wasting your time.
I
Dude.
think I've been tested 4 times.
I think it's Rover and Doc.
Yeah,
It's
Rover.
not.
Rover is definitely alien.
It's not me, and it's definitely not Rover.
Anyways.
Or Doc,
Anyways.
actually.
It didn't get anything right.
We need to, we need to consult the Shun guy.
Aliens, however, will be given.
Yeah, you know what Shun Guide is? Anonymous,
thank you so much for that. I'm glad I made you smile, dude.
Let's see what these players have to say. If they're an alien, their answer
This
might
one
be
is
pretty
quick.
out there.
Wait.
Who the fuck is this?
I haven't done this room before.
Pretending not to know to get away
Mic
with
check.
being alien.
Shut the fuck up, man.
Googling, they're googling who it is. Oh, who is this?
I
Who
think
the-
it's
who the
Serena
fuck is
Williams
this?
in a game of tennis.
Alien.
Who is this?
Who?
Okay, I did not get that prompt. I did not get that prompt.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah. No, do you know what, right?
My prompt was golf is boring. I swear. I got hacked. I got hacked. I got hacked.
You don't want alien answer, it's strongly
I got hacked.
Anyways,
No, I don't think the golf is. I think it's kind of boring, but I think golf can be fun.
It's actually possible.
Fuck off! I got hacked. Of course they would hack me. I'm the streamer.
What do we play? Ball scanner, whiting pot, or drawing quarters?
Putting is fun. Like watching golf isn't that fun, so that's why.
Crazy golf.
Whiting pot. Hurry the fuck up. Okay, who do we?
that Adam Sandler golf movie is fun.
Zoil and
We got
Mr.
3
Roll.
minutes. We got 4 minutes, guys.
Like nice
Zoil.
women. Try not to get me deleted, okay?
So we
I'm
know
not an
it's
alien,
Zoil, we
mate.
know
You
it's
no, I'm not.
Don't
an
yell in the
alien.
chat for Zalma.
Put
Don't yell in the
yeah.
chat for Zalma.
Any alien?
Why should we play?
No.
Okay,
Alien, please.
Aliens out.
and I take him.
Bruh.
Look at this dude.
You have selected the writing pod.
Why me?
Let's see if there's any weird responses.
Weird.
Everyone is tagging Salma with love.
Yeah, I told them to. 'Cause he said,
Alien Andy.
had a good weekend. Chat feels okay, man.
Hurry the fuck up.
Anyways,
One step back, 2 steps forward.
Holy shit.
Let's climb the mountain. Let's dominate. Violence, speed, and momentum, and guess what? We're at the tippity top of the mountain.
Amen.
Yeah!
Amen, dog.
Damn. That was the winner speech, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah!
An alien would say.
No. No.
As one alien would say.
Don't even tell me anything about that. I don't want to know anything about that.
I got hacked.
I got hacked! I got hacked!
I'm the only one who said it did.
Small glass jar.
Mine said
Pebbles.
store food.
Okay, why is no one's answer making any sense? I'm the only one who's even saying a
Pebbles.
Okay, hold on. There's no way 3 people got hacked. So
Wait,
wait, why are you voting me? I said fucking. I was just being funny with the bitch part.
I got hacked.
Alien by default.
Fingers.
Yeah, I've made lasagna on stream.
Get the clip.
Hurry the fuck up.
Oh, I'm having a meltdown.
Uganda has also announced its first case of COVID-19.
Why do you guys keep picking me? I was the only one who was right last time.
Oh, not me, drawing, please. I'm too dang. Always pick the broadcaster, you know?
Don't worry, just let the brush guide you.
Did someone get hacked?
Oh.
No.
Yeah, me and Soul got hacked.
You don't know if you've been
I was hacked as well. I wanted to paint again.
Oh, on the previous one? Wow, everyone got hacked, huh? How convenient.
You said the same thing, so I don't know.
Yeah, but when I said it
got
wasn't 3 other people claiming it at the same time, that seems kind of extreme.
NymN actually
right.
hacked.
Have you heard of them stories where people's modern cars get hacked?
Why are you testing?
I will have to explain my drawing, but
Guys, 53 seconds.
You know what, right?
Uh-oh.
5.
Everyone hurry! Everyone quick hurry!
With a rover, you can.
Everyone quick hurry! Doyle, hurry up!
Oh.
Because old man, about 20 years old.
Yes!
30 years old.
Last chance.
An endangered animal.
Someone clicked the button.
That's not the prompt I got. That's not the prompt I got. They hacked me again.
Okay.
Mine is NymN.
Anyway,
There's no more hacks. The hacks are gone.
anyways, so we're going to
No.
Pachinki, huh?
It's Dim, Doc, and Rover Joe.
It's not me, mate.
It's Rover Joe, Doc, and London.
No.
Don't you
There
would never be an alien.
I drew Nim's persona, dude. That's the most endangered species there is.
Who cares if he's an alien or not? Just fucking get him out!
Fiesta, right?
No.
Yeah, okay, let's trust Zoil, the guy who said he cooks small glass jars.
Wait,
It's Doyle! Everyone agrees.
Okay, dude. How is that agreed? Rover Joe.
I think
No, this is wrong! Rover Joe! Rover Joe! You didn't put Rover Joe in!
Oh my god, shut the fuck up!
You didn't put Rover Joe in!
This is it.
No! Zoil!
What the
Go. Everyone say yes. Everyone say yes.
It's not! Rover Joe!
Everyone say yes. Everyone say yes.
You didn't put Rover Joe in!
I don't know.
You didn't put Rover Joe in!
It's not me. It's not me. It really is not me. Honestly, it really isn't. Like, honestly.
Are you kidding me? Are you kidding?
Quickly.
Later, put him in!
Right, just pop them in.
Put?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
What the?
No.
I know. I'll wait.
You guys are so stupid. Whatever.
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Nim, obviously, you would be other than
Why, obviously?
I'm not an alien.
Why do you think it's NymN? Why do you think it's NymN?
so no one can understand.
Hey, dude.
How about we all do
30 seconds.
We think.
Why do you guys always put me in? This is so mean.
Dr. Disrespect.
Rover Joe.
Mate, it's
Yes,
Yes, this is it. This is it. Everyone say yes. Everyone say yes. This is it. This is it.
Zoil, why are you rooting for the death of yourself? What?
He's trying to.
About a whole bunch of shine guys.
Shut up, Doc.
He's probably alien and he knows someone here is not alien, but fuck it.
Go. Everyone say yes.
Great, let's not kill Rover Joe.
There is no doc. Maybe.
We have no time for another vote.
Hey, please.
No, I don't think so.
Yes, I think so. No time to waste.
If you guys... Ooh, 12 microseconds.
Fuck you! Fuck you all! Get the fucking kid out of here!
Drawing in bed dead and he draws himself.
Let's go. Violence, speed, and momentum, and guess what? We're at the tippity top of the mountain.
Yeah, you.
Oh my
For the last 10 minutes, I didn't understand shit.
Kai Berlin, you kept voting down the winning suggestion.
I fucking called it.
Alright.
fucking happy about that.
I knew it was Joe. Joe would never.
That was a good game. That was a good one.
Alright, go again.